So it's maths time, and all of you have been assigned some Mathletics challenges. Now, I've probably given you 3 or 4 sets of 10 questions to do, but those of you that have got lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of questions backed up, you'll have lots of challenges to do. So please, fingers crossed you'll have caught up with everything, because I did ask mums and dads to try and get you to catch up with Mathletics over the half-term holidays. But if not, lots of Mathletics to do. Once that's done, then let's have a Mathletics challenge. Once you've finished all your Mathletics, I want you to go and click on play and go into the world of live Mathletics. Just scroll down there a little bit. I'm going to click on play, and then you'll see the live Mathletics screen. If you're the first to finish, when you go and look at school challenge, it might not say anyone's online, or it might not even say anyone's in your class. Then you might want to play on the world challenge for a couple of games, or even against the computer for a couple of games. But pop back on, see who's online. If you see people in the school challenge where it says online, if you see people going up here, the number going up to 1, 10, 15, 20, then you can click on school challenge or class challenge and play against other people in the school. I'll go computer challenge. Once you've selected, don't forget to hit go. And play away. So come back and play it as many times as you like. Don't forget to go on to the school challenge and the class challenge. And what you could do, which would be lovely, is if you go into the class stream on Google Classroom and type in who you played against and how many games you won. That'd be fab. Keep it nice and polite though. It's competitive, but we're all being nice to each other. Have fun on Mathletics, everyone.